Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add video in Wix Studio. So first thing that you should do is to simply open your web browser and then you just have to search for wix.com and you'd be redirected to this website. Okay, so you just have to type out wix.com and then of course you have to log into your account and then go to the site section and then you just have to select the site that you want to edit. Okay, and you can also create your new site over here at the top right. So this is my website. Now that we're here, what we're going to do first is to simply add a section. Okay, so I only have 2 pages for this website so that you can understand the video immediately. Okay, so you just have to click on add section, and then now that we have here the page, what we're going to do next is to simply click on the plus icon or the add elements icon at the top left of your screen and then go to the media section and then proceed to the video section. So right here under the video, we have single video players, video backs, and then the transparent video. So for this tutorial, I am going to focus on the single video players. Okay, so we have here the single video player template. So I'm just going to use this basic template over here at the top. So you just have to simply click on it. And then that video template will be added to this page. Now you just have to drag it and then place it accordingly. And then you can also stretch this video. Okay, so to have a full coverage of the page. So I'm just going to leave this one as it is. Next thing that you should do is to simply click on the change video option. Okay, and then you'd be able to see this page and then just click on the change video again. Then at the top left of this page, you just have to simply click on upload media or simply click on the upload media, this one at the center. Okay, and then click on upload from computer. And then you'd be directed to your folders. You just have to locate the video that you want to upload. So for example, this one. Next, you just have to simply click on open and then just wait until the video is uploaded to your page. Okay, so now the video has been uploaded successfully. You just have to simply click on add to page. And then as you can see, the video is now on our page. Okay, so let us try to preview this one and try to play this video. So when someone click on this play button, this video will play on your page. So that is the first method on how you can upload video on your Wix Studio. Now, if you would like to, embed a YouTube video on your Wix website, what you're going to do is to simply add a new section again. So let me just remove the video that we have added earlier. And the next thing that you should do is to simply click on the add elements again. So this one at the top left of your screen, and then go to the embed and social section. But now that you're here, you just have to simply click on embed site and then click on the plus button. And then this template will be added to this page. And then what you're going to do next is to simply click on change website address. And finally, in this box, we just have to paste here the video linked from YouTube. So let's go and open our YouTube, and then this is our YouTube channel. So let me just grab some or one of the videos that we have. Okay, so you just have to click on that specific video and then click on the share button at the top, and then just click on copy link, and then go back here and then just simply paste here the link that we have copied from YouTube. Then after that, you just have to simply click on update. Okay, so let me just paste it here. You can also press Ctrl+V and then click on update. Okay, as you can see, the icon has been broken, but let us try to preview this website first. So when you click on preview, we'd be able to see here to notice that YouTube refused to connect. It is because our plan is not upgraded to a premium one. Okay, so if you have a business and then you would like to connect YouTube to your Wix, okay, so you have to upgrade to a premium plan. But that's it. That's how you can simply embed a YouTube link to your website. Now, if you were to add videos to different pages on your Wix Studio, what you're going to do is to simply click on the pages at the top left of your screen and then select that specific page that you want to add a video. So for example, in the About Us page, I would like to add a video right here. So you just have to do the same. Okay, so you just have to simply click on that page and then click on the add element option at the top left and then go to the media section. and then go to the video, and then under the video we have single video players, video backs, and then the transparent video. So for this one, I would like to use the video backs for this one. And the next thing that you should do is to simply click on the change video option. Okay, and then just have to do the same. Just click on the upload media at the top left of this page, and then click on upload it from computer, and then just have to select the video that you want to upload. As you can see, I'm still using the video from Wix. Okay, so just have to wait for a couple of seconds after that, and then once the video is uploaded successfully, you just have to simply click on the update option at the bottom right of this page. Okay, so let us just wait for a couple of seconds, and of course you can also use media from Wix if you want to. Okay, so you just have to select that specific video after it is uploaded. So you just have to simply click on update, and then that video will be added to this page. So let us just wait for a couple of seconds since the video is still processing. Or you can also edit some of the things here, especially the play button. So you just have to simply click on the play button and then select the icon that you want to use. So for example, this one. And then just click on the X icon. So let me just change the video. Okay, so the video is still processing, so I'm going to use the other one. And then just click on update. Okay, so let us preview this page if this video is going to play. So just click on the preview option at the top right, and as you can see, the video is now playing successfully. Okay, so do not forget, whenever you are adding some of the elements here on Wix, you have to preview that first before publishing so that you'll know if it is working properly. Okay, so we have different settings here as well. We can change the focal point of this video if you want to. You just have to simply click on the squares. And then for the other icon, which is the behaviors, so we have here the how does it start to play, how is it paused, and then we also have how does it end. And then the last one is if you would like to play this video in slow motion, so you just have to simply toggle the switch on for this one. And then we also have here shapes that we can use, but of course I suggest we just have to use the basic one or the default format for our video. You just have to simply click on the X icon. So you just have to do the same if you'd like to add video or embed a code to the other pages. So for example, I would like to embed a link or website in this section, in this page. So you just have to simply click on the add elements option at the top left, and then go to the embed and social, and then click on embed site, and then just have to change the website address, and then go to your YouTube videos, and then simply copy the link and then paste it here. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.